Jeffrey, you're boring. Come play in the leaves. You big boring boy, you. Hey, how come when we're inside you want to come out, but when we're outside you want to go in? What are you doing? La cucaracha, la cucaracha, na 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 na. Hey, hi. You can do it. Come here. Come here, Boobala.
Hey.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Keep going. There you go. Good boy. You're kind of on the side. There you go. There you go. You're a good boy. Good job.
Yay.
Good job, big boy. Uh-oh. Where are you going?
Okay. Yay.
Yay. Uh-oh. Butt in the air. Butt in the air.
He lost the glove.
Where'd your glove go? Uh-oh. Bump-a-bump. It's cold now. It's cold on that hand now, huh? That's why we keep your glovies on. Your hand's cold, huh? You tall boy. We gotta get you a growth chart. Jeff, yes, your shadow is awesome. It's Daddy's shadow. Daddy's silly. You trying to break in the house? Is that what you do now?
We don't aim for felonies here, kid.
Stick him in the chair. Yay! Oh, okay, never mind. Bad idea, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm going to figure this out.
Okay, foot.
Give me a second, Mommy.
Oh, jeez, you scare Mommy.
I'm like an acrobat. I'm not new to this ish.
Okay, what's with the foot? What's with the foot? Babe, his shoe. Babe, his shoe. Fix it. I can't tape and do this at the same time, Bubba.
Oh, now you were out with the shoe.
There we go, all betters. Good job, Jeffrey. You're a big guy. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Whoa. There we go. There you go. Oh, you're such a big guy. Come on, let's play. Can I have his glove? I don't want him to get stuck with something. Quick. Can I have your hand? Ah! What does it matter? For 2 seconds. Jeffrey. Your glove came off again.
see you in the leaves.
You like the leaves? Uh-oh. Why don't you go play with them now?
Hey. Boom! Boom! Jeff.
Jeff, will you put this on him?
Boom!